Modern P25 radios are powered by lithium-type batteries. Over time, lithium-type batteries will eventually lose the ability to fully charge. What is your proactive plan to handle battery replacements? Today's trunked systems can support thousands of radios. Do you have a strategy to manage batteries for many radios? We do. It's called Armada's Elite Battery Management. KENWOOD's Armada radio management tool not only makes programming a fleet of radios effortless, thanks to template programming, but also provides a centralized report for all batteries in your agency. Armada's Elite Battery Management feature tracks the battery health for all your KENWOOD Viking portable radios in one report. How it works? Your KENWOOD Viking radio sends battery health information wirelessly to the Elite Battery Management database. Using this report, you can proactively plan on replacing batteries that change their health state. If you don't want to log in to look at a report, the Elite Battery Management tool can automatically send a text or email when battery health changes to poor condition. Accurately budget in advance for battery replacements. Know who needs their battery replaced in your fleet. With Armada's Elite Battery Management, maintaining your radio has never been easier.